Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is we want to go to the settings on your Samsung TV. So just click on the home button. And then from all the apps down here, you want to move all the way over to the 3 horizontal lines. So just move left, left, and then it turns into a gear icon, the settings icon right there. Click on OK on your remote. And then from here, we're going to go down one to sound. Select OK or enter on the remote. And now it says sound output is currently coming out of the TV, but we want it to come out of these JBL headphones. So we're going to select sound output right there. And then from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. OK on the remote. Okay, so now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to put these in a pairing mode. Okay, so these are currently off. And on the right ear cup here, you have that one power button right here. Let me turn it on. Let me press and hold for like 4 seconds so it turns on. It just said power on. And now what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? But I get a solid light here. It said connected on the headphones here. I think I'm connected to one of my phones. Let me tap on this power button again. So again, it's a solid light, so I'm connected somewhere. So I'm not in pairing mode. So I got to put these in a pairing mode. So first, let me turn these back off. I'm going to press and hold for about 4 seconds. It just said power off. Okay, now they're off. Now we're going to put these in pairing mode, and we'll know when it starts blinking a blue light here. Okay, so they're currently off. Let's turn it on this time, except this time I'm going to press and hold. Okay, ready, set, go. I'm going to keep on holding now until it starts blinking blue. It said power on. I'm still holding. It said pairing, and now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so now we go back onto the TV. The thing is, I took too long, so let me go back down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now searching again, and these are still in the pairing mode. You can see it blinking blue here, so it should find it here. Up there it is right there. JBL Tune 720 needs pairing. We'll click on OK on the remote, pair and connect. Click on OK again, and give it 1 second here. Okay, the JBL Tune 720 BT is now connected, so we're ready to go. Now here's the thing: if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.